All right, folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor with 103,000 miles and only 333 idle hours. Original, bright white from factory. This vehicle was and belonged to the Department of General Services in Sacramento, California. Yes, this is a California vehicle and it doesn't have any rust on her whatsoever. Folks, the whole vehicle has been completely detailed service and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states or the country. Vehicle does have very tiny little scratches. The vehicle is white. The paint does look sharp under the sun. It's super bright white. Once again, vehicle does have some scratches. They do hide away in the paint of the vehicle because they're not visible, not unless you're in there with a magnifying glass. Vehicle does have about maybe 2 to 3 door dings that I was able to count. Nothing big or major to worry about. Yes, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks, and once again I have set you up for success on another great running looking vehicle. Let me stop right here. The vehicle does have a fresh new window tint. This is going to be a 15% all around, not too dark, not too light, perfect color combo. Vehicle does have 3 holes on the roof of the vehicle where the actual antennas are. Once again, folks, those antennas are there just for looks. They are non-op. Folks, bear with me here on this walk around video. Vehicle does have a backup camera, backup sensors, and this is going to be E85 okay, flex fuel okay. The vehicle drives great and let me tell you, she looks amazing. Folks, this was not a patrol unit. This vehicle belonged to just guys out there just driving it around Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 if anything. Vehicle is not, you can tell that the vehicle is not beat up or abused. It's got a minor door ding here. Folks, before I forget, I gotta tell you that all 4 steel wheels look very, very nice. I didn't have to paint them. I did have to wash them, decrease them, and they look pretty good. And also, just so you know, the vehicle did come with the full wheel covers. Okay, I went ahead and removed the full wheel covers, and I gave you the dog dishes. This is something that a lot of guys prefer to do. They prefer this particular look on their vehicles. So this is what I'm giving you, and you are gonna take the full wheel covers with you. Whoever buys the vehicle, the full wheel covers are gonna go with you, so you're gonna have the best of both worlds when it comes to the appearance of the vehicle. One little minor scuff mark passing your side bumper. You guys can see it right there. Nice and clear headlamps in the front. Yes, everything does work. Folks, my detail crew did an amazing job cleaning this vehicle up and bringing her back to life from what she was. All right, let me tell you, she was a little bit of a mess when I first got her. Once again, folks, these are going to be the actual antennas. So if you need to drive your car through an express car wash, those are going to stay put. They're going to stay solid. They're not going anywhere. I got another door ding right here, folks. Right there. I want to say there was another one, but once again, everything hides in the white, so I can't really see it. Let's go to interior of the vehicle, folks. As you can see, the vehicle does have a perfect matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floor with all 4 matching original equipment floor mats inside the vehicle. rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car, so if you do have passengers, they'll be able to exit out of the vehicle on their own if they're sitting in the back seat. I do have a perfect driver's side seat, perfect passenger side seat. I do have a, I believe this is going to be a Troy center console here with the cup holder and the armrest. Honk does work. Electric retractable pedals are right there. Okay, that's the button for the electric retractable pedals. Let me see if I can clean this up here for you guys. There you go, guys. There you go. Alright, so I'm going to put a black cover on top of the hole right there so that the vehicle looks a lot nicer on the box, and you can do whatever you want with it. Whoever buys the car, if you're going to put equipment on there, you can just remove the little plate that I'm going to put here, okay? Cigarette lighters do work. You get 2 of them. USB connection over here, auxiliary line in over there, extra little box over there. Folks, let me tell you, the dash looks super nice on this one. Everything does work. 2 keys. Vehicle did come with 2 keys. No key fob, okay? Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let's go ahead and clear the screen here. Pressure lights are up. Oh, wrong one. Alright folks, here we go. Let me see if I can zoom in here for you guys. Vehicle does have 103,000 miles and 334 idle hours. That is it. Alright, this is all we have on this beautiful, gorgeous vehicle. It doesn't get any better than this. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. I do not own the rights to the song. Does have a backup camera. It comes up on your rearview mirror. You guys can see that right there. Backup camera does work. Put it in park and it goes away. Map lights do work. White LED, red LED. Let's go to the trunk. Everything lights up over here at night. The ambient light is very nice on this vehicle here, folks. And it does have Bluetooth, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let me make sure she's in park. Let me step it up here because I do have only 12 minutes to get everything done here. Folks, the vehicle did come with a nice set of Goodyear Eagles RSAs. Thankfully, I didn't have to go out and buy tires on this one. Trunk, roomy. Let's fold this up over here. Vehicle does have a full-size matching spare tire, which appears to be in new condition. Everything's there, folks. There goes my finger. Ow. One little cutout over there. That's probably where they kept their equipment box bolted down to the fender. So that's the vehicle. This is how the vehicle came to me. So that's how it's gonna go. All right. Flex fuel all-wheel drive. This is gonna be a 2015 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive, and I should have mentioned that earlier when I first started the video, but you know what, guys, I do apologize. I have one too many things going on my little microwave memory, and I left that behind, but I covered it. Nice and clear lenses right here, lights in the front, emission sticker in place. Alright folks, as you guys can see, my detail crew once again did an amazing job cleaning this vehicle up and making it look like new all over again. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. She doesn't need any repairs on her whatsoever, and she is ready to go. Starting right to left, folks, I do have a brand new air filter, brand new battery, Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, fresh, full synthetic, 520 engine oil change. Motorcraft full synthetic transmission service was performed on this one, and I did use the Motorcraft LB for this particular transmission. PTU, don't use aftermarket, stick to Motorcraft, folks. Air conditioner is nice and cold. All fluid levels were topped off. Washing fluid, coolant was topped off a little bit. Differentials look fine. Brake fluid was fine. Brakes in this particular unit were about 80% all around, so she didn't require any brakes. Folks, if you're looking for a nice and great looking vehicle in perfect running conditions, this is it. Let's give her one last final look as I come to my closing of the video here. Once again, this is going to be a 2015 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor. It belonged to the Department of General Services, Sacramento, California, so it was not a patrol vehicle, was not beat up. Original bright white from factory. Yes, everything does work. Folks, I say it again, I set you up for success on another great looking vehicle here, folks. If you should have any comments, please feel free to give me a call, text me, email me, and let's see what we can do. Folks, once again, this is the Car Victoria guy signing off. You guys have a blessed week out there. Please be safe, take care, and God bless.